How to fix a Rainbow Six Siege error code 80x00000070. For this first step, you need to open up Steam, click Library, click Game, right click Properties, click Install File, click Verify Integrity of the game file, and wait for some times. Because it's actually verifying the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After, we move on with next step. It's successfully completed. Close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. The next command, ipconfig space /release. Click enter. And the next command, ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. And the next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. And at last exit it. After completing, come to next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset the network. After resetting, come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app in the left hand side. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Rainbow Six Siege and Steam. You should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse and you can add it. After adding, you need to add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. After completing, come to next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Scroll down, click graphics settings. Click advanced graphics settings. And make sure the hardware acceleration GPU schedule. It should be in turn off mode. If you enable means you need to disable it. After disabling, you need to restart your device and check. Thank you.